3. Today we'll be working with AWS. Hello everybody. Say hello to our viewers.
Hello.
Today we'll be working with AWS and we'll be launching an instance. Do you know what that is? Launching an instance.
No.
Launching an instance is like saying creating a virtual machine on AWS. What is AWS?
AWS, it's a platform for it's a
It's a
platform you can
cloud.
use.
It's a cloud.
Yes, it's a cloud, and you can use
Google
another
Cloud,
virtual
AWS,
machine.
right? So we create virtual machines there, and we we can host a lot of things there, like websites, for example. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now tell me, your connection is not very good. What's wrong? Do you hear me?
Do you hear me?
Yes, your connection is bad.
Yes.
What's happening? Usually it's good. Today it's not good.
1 minute. 1 minute, please. Sorry, 1 minute. Do you hear me now?
Is it better? Yes. Do you hear me?
Okay.
Please make sure
Yes.
that the connection is good because we are recording our lessons. Okay,
Now
now
connection is good.
tell me what to do. How do I see the IP address of my router? What do I do?
You can type IP ADDR.
No, Windows on my router. The IP address of my
IP
router to which my computer is connected.
type IP config, and
But
you can
first, what
see.
do you do first?
Open a terminal with command
Windows R, yes.
Windows R.
Windows
Yes.
R, CMD here.
Type CMD.
And now, what do I type?
IP config.
And where's the IP address of my router?
No, you can see,
Do you
but
see?
now
Okay, yes, 1 minute, yeah. So where's the IP address of my router?
Well, IPv4
Default gateway,
address.
right? Default gateway, this one.
Yes.
So Control C to copy. Then I open my browser, right? And put it here. Control V to paste. And now, for example, I have a laptop or maybe some other device, and you need to get information from my laptop. What do I do? So first I need to get a static IP address, my public IP address, yeah? It has to be my personal. So, and imagine that I contacted my provider and now I got my real static IP address. Yes, and what do I need to do right now in my router in order for you to be able to SSH into my laptop and to get the information you need?
You can SSH now.
I need to open a port on my router, in my router. How do I do this?
Open network
Advanced
settings.
Here's more, yeah, port forwarding, and it's an old router. In my in our first lessons, I used another router. I have two routers. I used the other router. That one is newer. This one is older. And here, what is start? What is end? So here I specify the IP address of my router. right? Oh, sorry, my
It's
router,
like
my laptop,
internal.
my laptop is my private IP address, and my static IP address is my public IP address. Address. So what is start? What is end?
No, it's like internal and external port.
Yes. What is it? What is the external port and what is the internal port here?
For example, 88H. No.
We can open,
3000.
for example, 65,535. This is the last possible port that I can
Yes.
forward. And here,
Yes.
the same, yeah.
Thank
So
you.
this is the port in my router, and this is the port in my laptop. By default, it's
Laptop.
22, yeah. By default,
Mm-hmm.
SSH listens on 22. And the IP address here of my laptop, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And apply, and then you do what? What do you do in your part of Ukraine? After I did this, what do you do?
In my part?
Yes, if you want to
No,
SSH
if
into
I
my,
want to SSH, I type SSH, your username,
yes,
Alex.
of your Ubuntu
Uh,
desktop, for example, yeah,
yes. Then, for example, Alex at
and
uh, and your IP address public
static public IP address, yeah, for example,
public
like this,
and
yeah, you know, like,
type
mm-hmm,
port
mm-hmm.
hyphen p
Yes, and
and type
the port
port
that I opened, yeah, in this
60.
case, 65,535, right? And
Yes.
you press
And now
enter,
you're
and if you gave me, or if you sent me your Windows SSH public key, yeah, then you will not type the password, yeah. You will enter my laptop and you will start managing my laptop as if it was your own, yeah. You could delete information from my laptop, and you can like pull films, yeah, you can move films from my laptop to yours, yeah. But it listens on SSH, right? Sorry, SSH listens on port 22. And if I want you to use the website, my website, we need to go here and to create another rule, right? So one more time, advanced, more, ports forwarding, and add to lists. Yeah, so, and one more, yes. And I'll do it one more time. And here I will have a list, forwarding list. Yeah, one for SSH, another for website. Yes, and if I want people to use my website, then I open another port, yeah, and the ports in my laptop on which I host my website, yeah. And you do what? You go to your browser, you type my static IP address and the number of the ports, right? And you will have access to my website. And we are
Yes.
working with Django. What is Django one more time?
Backend framework.
Yes, it's a very powerful backend framework, which I think is getting more and more popular, and I don't think I know it for a fact. Okay, so now let's read our plan. Today on AWS, we will
Today on AWS, we will import the public SSH key, set a security group, which is Firewall on AWS. Launch an
AWS
AWS. Launch an instance virtual machine.
virtual
Install
machine.
everything. Install everything on that virtual machine and run our Django website.
Yes, and now you'll be doing all of this. Now I will give you permission to share your screen with me. And here we go.
Okay.
Are you sharing your screen?
1 minute. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You see?
Yes. Let's go to
I
AWS.
install this folder. This folder.
I hope that you still remember the password, how to enter. Do you?
Ah, yes. Okay.
Okay.
I can open
AWS.
this.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it's in English. It's very good. Sign into console. Sign into console.
Okay.
No, sign into console. See it?
Oh no.
Close it. Close it, close it. Sign into console. Uh-huh. Yes, sign in using root user email. Your email. The password. And now use your authenticator app. Look at those 6 numbers. Enter them here in this box. Yes, you are in. You are in EC2. Click on EC2.
EC2. EC2.
Do you see EC2
Wait.
here?
EC2. Yes.
Yes. And now, what do you think we need to do here? So we need to first import our key, Windows key, a public key. Find key pairs here on the left of your screen.
And create key.
No,
yes.
import. No, not create. Import.
Okay.
Go back. Actions, import. Import key pair. Go to your Windows, command prompt. Windows R. Enter. Dir, right? I think you know what to do. And you can use Notepad. You can use, and be careful. Don't show the viewers your private public key. Be careful.
Oi.
Dir. It's not Linux, it's Windows. Dir. Yeah, and now type ID, yes, and you know what to do. Copy. Control C. Now go back. Yeah, here name. No, here, no, name. Like Windows key, for example. Maybe Windows, lowercase, not capital, usually Y, lowercase letter. Windows and not underscore, hyphen, Windows key. And paste it below, in this box. Yeah, import key pair. Click on import key pair here. Yes, and now show the viewers Oracle VirtualBox. Show them NAT settings.
1 minute. I open my VirtualBox.
Oracle VirtualBox. Go to NAT
I type
settings
and
network,
type network
and port forwarding.
Net.
Explain to the viewers what is it. Why do we have 2 rules here? And what is host port and what is guest port?
If I, for example, I create a website and I want that you.
I want you to.
I want you to open my website too, yes?
To
In
use my
your
website, yeah. To go to my website.
yes. And I must open two port for SSH and for
But
enter my website,
only
yes?
if you want me to use your SSH, yeah, to manage your laptop, yeah. But usually, yeah, why do you need other people, yeah, to manage your laptop? It's very dangerous, right? Unless it's your
Yes.
future husband, for example, yes, or like a person you trust, right? For example, yeah. So usually it's website, yeah, but we can also you can do it for yourself, yeah, SSH.
Mm-hmm.
So you can manage your laptop remotely, for example, yeah. So your
Yes.
laptop is at home and you go somewhere, yeah,
Yes.
and you are somewhere else and you manage your laptop from Italy, for example, yeah. And another rule is the other rule here is for other people, for people to work with your website, right? What is
Mm-hmm.
host port and what is guest port?
Host port, it's
How is it
like
similar to a
door.
real life situation?
No, host port, it's door into your router.
Uh-huh.
And guest port, it's door into your device.
Yes.
For example, if I want to send the video in your laptop with SSH,
Mm-hmm.
I create a port, create guest port, for example, 22, and when I send the video, your router, wait, no, yes, your router know that, no, it's difficult to explain. Router know where he must send this
Yes,
video,
because you created rules. Yeah, you can create
which
many rules.
device.
So a lot of different devices can be connected to the same router. For
Yes.
example, a Raspberry, there is a wonderful, it's similar to Mac Mini, but it's a lot smaller. And now we can buy that Raspberry device and we can keep our website there. And it's tiny, it's very, very small. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And it has its own IP address. Yeah. Or a laptop, Mac Mini, right? So a
Mm-hmm.
lot of different devices which all have their own IP addresses are connected to the same router and only one public IP address, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's very important to understand because on AWS it's different. On AWS, every virtual machine has its own public IP address, understand?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yes, understand.
Yes, so and each device, each instance has its own public IP address. Think of it like every device has its own static IP. And therefore, on AWS, we need just one port, not two ports. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Just maybe like guest port, yeah? Because each device has its own public IP. Okay, let's go back to AWS. And now security group. Find security group here. Scroll down, I think. Yeah, network and security. Security groups. Click on security groups. Yes, and here, create security group. You can give it any name you like. For example, what is it? Django website. No, Nastya. That's all, Nastya. Or Nastya security group. Mhm.
This.
Security.
Ah.
Mistake. Okay, that's enough. Okay, yes, add group. Hyphen group, add it. And description, yeah, like allow everything. Just, I don't know. We don't care. Allow everything. Yes, and now scroll down And here, what do we do? Here, choose first SSH. All traffic SSH. Scroll down to SSH. See, by default, port is 22, and you can't even change it here. See? Custom change to my IP. Yeah, because you'll be the only one who will be able to manage your. Yeah, this is your CGNet. Yeah, because you don't have a static IP, right? Public is your CGNet. And description, write something here. I will SSH into my laptop. No, SSH into my instance or into my Ubuntu virtual machine. Into my machine, that's all. Yes, and now let's create one more rule for our website. Yes. And here, yeah, custom TCP, yeah, yes. No, it's not SSH anymore, yes. It's for our website. And here, choose any port. For example, 9000, yeah? We will run our Django website on port 9000. And custom, go to custom here. And choose anywhere IP4. See, what do you think these rules mean? These zeros mean? 0.0.0.
Port with my
We did this at our previous lesson. If you want to listen to your website from your machine, yeah, your machine, when the machine speaks to itself, the local host is 127. But if you allow other people to use your website, you do it like this, yeah? Python, manage.py, run server, then 0.0, right? Sorry, 0.0.0.0, colon, and the number of the port, yeah? And here is 9000. Add description. Use my website, or yeah, use my website. Not SSH, it's not SSH. Yeah, and scroll down. Create security group. And what we just did will be the same for all virtual machines that we'll be creating. Understand? What we just did will be the same for all virtual machines. Yeah, we can create a lot of virtual machines here. And we every time when we create a virtual machine, we need to select our security group or our key pair, yeah? And now, what do you think we need to do right now? Now that we have worked with our security group and our key pairs, now that we added your Windows public key, what do you think we need to do now? We need to launch an instance, which is similar to creating a virtual machine, yeah? And for that, type instances. Scroll up. Yeah, instances. Launch instances. No. Yes, there as well. Name Nastya Ubuntu, for example. Yes, and now choose any, of course, choose Ubuntu, right? Yeah, because we work with Ubuntu. And now scroll down. So here we have T3 micro, it's okay. And now select key pair name. This is, yeah, Windows key, right? Select Windows key. No, select it from here. You see it already. And now we have just created our security group. So select existing security group, yeah, because we already have one. Yeah, and select it. Nested security group, right? Okay, and that's all. Yes, and this is the space, right? 8 gigabytes or gigabytes, right? Yes, and that's all. And now launch instance. Launch instance. Yes, and now go click on instances. See, your instance is being created, and actually it has been created. Yes, and what do you see here? Do you see public IP? Do you see it? Public IP v4?
This?
No, the next one.
Yeah. This?
Yes. So this is the public IP address of your virtual machine. Like I said, unlike in the real world, so you have a router and a lot of different devices are connected to the same router. So you have just in the real life, you have just one public static IP address and many devices and with private IP addresses, right? But here, yes, and this is why, okay, show the viewers one more time the security group. Click on. Click on them. Yes. On yours. Click on yours.
This?
Yes, I think, yes. No, above, yours that we created. And now edit inbound rules. No, edit inbound rules. Do you see this? No. Okay, so here we have just one port. And now compare it with your virtual Oracle VirtualBox. Go to net settings again. Network. Why do we have two ports here and just one in our security group?
No.
Because each device has just one public IP address. Understand? So the port here, like, yeah, understand? Just one. We don't need because we have just each device has just one public IP address. If you create another virtual machine, it will have its own public IP address. Think of it as being able to connect just one device to your router. Yeah, understand? So you have three laptops, and for these three laptops, you need three static IP addresses. Understand? So on AWS is different. Therefore, we just need one port. Got it? Understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's go back to AWS. Cancel. Instances. Copy the public IP address. Control C. By default, the username will be Ubuntu. And I think now you know what to do. You will try to SSH into this machine that we just created from your Windows. What do you do?
Type
By
SSH.
default, Ubuntu. The username is Ubuntu. And then in the real life, yeah, if you wanted to enter my laptop, to SSH into my laptop, you would type my static IP address, static, yeah? But here, yeah, it's like public also, yeah? Enter. It's not working.
I must type port or not?
No. We did something wrong then. Okay, go back.
Oh,
Go back to our
it's not
settings. Huh?
It's work?
No, go back to our settings. Okay, we did something wrong.
Okay. Open security groups, yes.
Yes. We did something wrong. Yes,
Ah,
go inside our security group and let's work on them one more time. Edit inbound rules. But why? Why not? Why is nothing? Why nothing is here? Why is it empty? Okay, fix it.
type
SSH. SSH. Choose SSH. Do you see it?
no. Oh, yes.
SSH. Yes, my
Sage.
IP. My IP. But why is it empty? I can't understand why it's empty. My IP here. And description. Just anything. SSH. That's all. And create one more rule. No, no, no. One more. Okay, that's enough. Now let's go. Okay, edit inbound rules one more time. Yes. Okay, now let's do it one more time then. Save rules. And let's try to SSH one more time. Save. Or cancel.
Wait, I can. Okay, cancel.
Okay, let's do it one more time. Something's wrong. What are you
Wait.
doing? Yes. We are in. We just entered your virtual machine, but I cannot understand why it was empty. We created, or did we not save or something? Okay, then add one more rule. Go back to your security group and add one more rule. Edit inbound rules. Edit inbound rules here. No, not here. Where are you?
In security group.
In the edit inbound rules. Do you see them? No, here. Yes,
Yes.
here. Add one more rule. Yes, custom TCP, and here port 9000. 9000 or any port. Yeah, and here, yeah, this one, yeah, save rules. And now make sure that now check it one more time. Yes, yeah, now everything should be okay. Yes, you didn't add any description, but I think it's okay. Okay, and now what do we do? Now let's install everything that we need in order to launch our Django website. Type sudo apt update. Why do we need this command, sudo apt update?
We installed Django.
Please remove this
No.
припинити спільний доступ. Please remove it somewhere. Move it to another place. Okay. So sudo
Sudo apt
update.
update.
I hope the connection is good. I hope. Because if it takes us 1 hour to do this, I don't know. It will be a disaster. What's wrong? Are you at home today?
Yes. In Kharkiv.
Usually cannot initiate the connection to security Ubuntu.com. Why do you always have this?
I don't know what is it.
Why? Why do I never have such things and you always have it? Be it your virtual machine and now Amazon.
I don't know.
Sudo apt update. Do it one more time. Sudo apt update. What's wrong? Why is it always wrong on your machine? I think it has something to do with your provider, because we had the same problems with your virtual machines on Oracle VirtualBox.
I don't know, maybe.
Or maybe your Windows. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, sudo apt install, but it will fail one more time. Python 3 hyphen pip, no space. Yeah, pip
That's all?
enter. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with your machines. I have no idea. Okay, I will do it for you. Stop sharing your screen.
Mm-hmm. Unmute.
Now I will share my screen with you. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Please ask Gemini what's wrong. You always have these problems. I have no idea why. So here, AWS. EC2. So first let me have a look at, so I did what you did. I have security groups here. Yeah, so Alex Core security group. Yeah, and the C 9000 TCP SSH. Yeah, and now let's launch an instance. For example, Alex Ubuntu. Key pair select. Yeah, Windows key, because I have already imported the key, the public key. And now security group, because I have select existing, because I already have one. It's this one, yeah. And now let's launch this instance. Instances. My public IP. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And now Control C to copy. Now here, SSH, Ubuntu. Now Control V. And now it should work. Yes. And now I will show you how it must be. Sudo apt update. See? What's wrong? Please fix. I think it's your maybe Windows, or I don't know, because we had the same problems with your virtual machines. Please ask Gemini what's wrong, okay? And now what do I do next? I installed pip. Yes, sudo apt. What is apt?
Apt.
It's a package installer for Linux, yeah, for Ubuntu. Like pip is a package installer for Python, right? So sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Invalid operation. Sudo apt install. Maybe you also.
No,
type
I check now.
Okay, Python 3 pip. And this is how it should work. And now I do what? I install everything that we need to create virtual environments. What is a virtual environment? One more time.
It's like virtual.
We need to always work from virtual environments, because right now if I type pip freeze, you will see all like pre-installed packages, yeah, and we can install more packages, dependencies. And imagine every time we work on a new project, if we don't work from virtual environments, they will always be intertwined. They will always be mixed up, and it will crash. There will be a lot of errors, right? So now we need to install everything that we need to create virtual environments. It's apt sudo apt install. Please fix your Windows. I don't know what's wrong. Install venv. Yes. My Windows is 11 and I have a licensed version. Okay, and now I need to create a folder here. How do I create folders?
mkdir.
mkdir. mkdir and the name of the, okay, Django, yeah? Django project. How do I enter this folder?
CD
Django.
Django.
Yes. And ls, yeah, I have nothing here, or la. And now if I still okay, now let's create a virtual environment. How do we do this? It's Python 3
Python 3
venv, and we can give any name to this virtual environment. For example, it will be Alex venv, right? Why do I need this dot?
It's like расширение.
No.
Or what?
To make this folder invisible. If I don't want to see this folder all the time, I put dot in front of it. Got it? Understand? Now it's being created. And now if I type ls, I will not see it. LA, see? It's visible now. How do I activate this virtual environment?
Source, yes, you type source.
Source.
And name
Alex.
Alex1.
Yeah.
Being activated.
Being activate. Yes, and now if I type pip freeze, I will not see any of these packages anymore, yeah? It will be empty. See, nothing is here. And now I need to install everything, all packages, dependencies here, inside this virtual environment, which I called AlexVenv. And now we need to use pip Python package installer to install our virtual environment, Django project, sorry. Pip install Django. And if I type pip freeze now, what do you think you'll see here? What I just installed here, yeah?
Yes.
Pip freeze.
All packages, yes.
Yes, 3. Yeah, Django, see?
Oh, короче, убрала ошибку. I delete this mistake.
You found the mistake?
What?
You found the mistake on your Windows machine?
Yes.
And now you can?
Yes, and yes, I can.
Okay, it will be your homework.
Oh, okay.
And now I will continue doing this on my
I
machine.
have mistake on my outbound rules. I changed these rules and now it works.
Ah, okay.
I
Mhm.
change type. No, выбрал all traffic and
I
now it
chose
works.
all traffic.
Yes.
Good, very good. Yeah, and now what do we do now?
Open.
We need to start a project. So, and if I deactivate my virtual environment, yeah, if I type pip freeze, you will see all of these packages again. Yeah, but I don't need them. So therefore I type source Alex venv bin activate. Yeah, and now I need to start Django admin start project. And now let it be Alex Django maybe, yeah. And now if I do it like this, I will have my virtual environment and then one more folder, and then my manage.py will be in a different folder, and I will always have to enter a lot of different folders, yeah. But for me it's very convenient to work when my manage.py is in the same folder as my virtual environment. And for that I need to type space dot, and the insights of this folder will be created right here. Understand? And LA, see, manage.py is in the same folder as my venv. And now what do? I launch my website. Run server. And now, of course, I don't need it just on my local host, yeah? Why? Because I'm doing this for all people, for my clients, customers, right? Students. And now I type 000, right? And the number of the port, what port did we open?
8000.
I will show it. Security groups. This is my security groups. 9,000, see?
9,000.
9,000. It's running. And now what do? I go to instances. I copy my public IP address. Control C. I go to my browser and Control V and 9,000, right? And you do the same. And now you will share the screen, share your screen with me, and show the viewers that you have the same, although we are in different parts of the world.
Okay. Do you see?
Yes. Go to my website. No. You need to type my public IP address.
In this line.
Yes, I will tell you. Yes. 3.88 point.
Wait.
You need to learn how to type without looking at the keyboard. Yeah, 0.38 38.44. And the number of the port, colon. See? You have access to my website. But why
Yes.
do we see this? What do I need to do?
You must open manage.py and find allowed hosts and add
Okay.
this and add this.
Public IP address in allowed hosts. Okay, stop sharing your screen. I will share mine. And how do I do this? I need to create one more command, open one more window, yeah? Command prompt. And I need to SSH one more time, right? Because now I need to change the settings. I go inside Django. And here ls. And now I go inside Alex Django. And what do I do next?
Open settings py.
How?
You can type touch settings
Why
py or
touch? Is how we create
nan.
files, touch. It's not touch, it's touch.
Touch.
We create files with touch. I need to edit.
Open with nano or
Of
what?
course, we can edit it with nano. And how else can you edit? How else? Only with, yes, we have Vim, but we need to install Vim. Nano, of course, because by default we have nano here. We work with nano. We edit files with nano text editor. Settings.py. And what do I do?
Scroll down and in local allowed hosts type this IP. Yes, with.
In the future lessons, we will show the viewers how you buy a domain. For example, you will choose any name for your future domain, and we will put this domain here, and you will type your domain and your website, and you will have access to your website. Understand?
Okay.
So we also need, for example, it will be like Nastya.com, for example, yeah, and it will be here. Understand? And all people, and instead of typing all these numbers, people will type your domain. Cool, right?
Yes.
And now, how do we save?
Control O and Control Z.
X.
Wait, Control X.
And now what do? I go here and refresh.
Yes, and
And
refresh.
it's not working. Why is it not working? Something's wrong, but it should work. Maybe I did something wrong here. Let me check. So nano settings dot py. Maybe I did something wrong. 3838. It should work actually. Okay. Let's do it one more time. Control C. I can't stop. What's wrong? I type Control C, but it doesn't want to work. It won't work. Okay. Let's do it one more time. So Python manage.py run server 0000 9000. I need to activate my virtual environment first, right? Source Alex Van bin activate, right? And now Python manage run server 000 9000. And now, see, it's working. And you do this on your part, in your part of Ukraine?
Yes,
It's working.
It's working.
Okay. Show it to the viewers that it's working in your part of Ukraine. Share your screen.
Do you see?
Yes. And now tell the viewers, this is where everything ends for us as DevOps engineers.
What?
This is where everything ends for us. Заканчивается, ends for us here. DevOps engineers don't work with code. Everything that will be inside this folder, Django, yeah, will be done by coders. But we will learn. Yeah, we'll be working with HTML, and we'll just touch on that, of course, not in detail. Yeah, and our future website will be like, we will be storing commands in our database, the commands that we have learned. Yeah, and I think this is what we'll be doing in our next lesson. You will have to, your homework is to create a virtual machine, is to launch an instance, but be careful. After you launch it, you need to stop it or terminate. If you don't terminate, yeah, they will charge you money for that. Be careful. If you stop it, if it's not working, they will only charge you money for storing, for space, yeah, because you take space, because those 8 gigabytes, right, or yeah, they will charge for that space that you occupy on their platform, in their cloud, yeah, and it's not a lot. So you can create it tomorrow or on Sunday maybe. Our next lesson is on Monday, yes, so create that virtual machine on Sunday, okay?
Okay.
And after you create it, stop it. Don't terminate, but stop. And I think you know how to create it, right?
Yes, but can you type all exercise, no, задание, all exercise?
All you have to do is you will find this video on YouTube, because I will post this video. I will upload this video to YouTube later today. And you will have to install everything and create a Django project. And that's all. And we'll be working in your Django project. And in our future lessons, we'll be working with Git, GitHub Actions, CI/CD pipelines. We will buy a domain. Yes, we will create a tunnel, Cloudflare tunnel. We'll be working with a lot of different things, but very interesting things, believe me. But it takes time, of course, and therefore I said that we would finish by November. I think I was wrong. Maybe January, not November, because there are so many things to learn. Okay, that's all for today. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for
See
the
you on
lesson.
Monday. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you too. Bye.